Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to yet another video in the series of the concept summary of 25 concepts which are tested on the SAT Math. And today we are going to do probability. Probability, the topic of probability is basically free points. Like you can easily get the questions of probability correct if you just understand one simple concept. Now, see, first of all, probability is actually the chances of an event that is going to happen. So that, okay, I say that there are 50% chances that it will rain tomorrow. And if I some clouds in the sky, I would say that, okay, I think there are 70% chances that that it will rain tomorrow, or 80% chances. And if it's like really windy and really cloudy, it's very dark, very stormy, so you'll say that it's likely that there are 90% chances that it will rain tomorrow. Now, this is putting a percentage to something that will happen, right? That's just a predictability, like probabilities of something that will happen. Now, in probability, just remember that probability is actually, so you always find out probability of an event, like whether it's going to rain tomorrow. That's an event. What is the event? Event is that it will rain tomorrow. Okay. Now, so what you have to do is probability will be always the ratio of that event, the number of times that event is happening, over the total number of events. Okay, so number of times that event is happening, this event that you want to happen, divided by total number of events. That's a normal probability. Then there's something called conditional probability. Conditional probability is tested on SAT Math. Conditional probability is probability of an event happening given that something else is also happening. Okay, so conditional probability is probability of an event happening given something else is happening. So this is associated with a condition. So what we will do is we will take 3 questions of easy, medium, and hard level, and you will get an idea of how the questions are asked on SAT Math. Okay, so the table shows the number of different colors of marbles in a bag. If a marble is chosen at random from the bag, what is the probability that the marble will be blue? Now, this is your event that you want to happen. The event is that we want the marble to be blue marble. So there is a bag, and inside that bag, there are red, blue, and green marbles, and the total of 40 marbles. Okay, so we want blue marbles. We want to find out the chances of picking out a blue marble. Okay, so in the numerator, we will write the number of times our event can happen. See, so the number of blue marbles are 10. So 10 will come here, and then total number of events that can happen. Total number of marbles are 40. Okay, so that's the probability, and the answer will be D. D is 10 over 40. Okay, D is 10 over 40, so that will be the answer. Now, let's do a medium level question. So this was easy. Now we'll do a medium level question. The table above shows information about 14 cars listed for sale on an auto dealership's website. If one of the cars listed for sale is selected at random, what is the probability that the car selected will be a hybrid car priced at no more than $25,000? See, in the previous question, we only had one identifier of the event, only color. Only the color of the marble was the event, right? Now, in this question, we have 2 identifiers. First is the type of the car, whether the car is non-hybrid or hybrid. And the other identifier is its price, whether the price is more than $25,000 or it is not more than $25,000. Now, our event is, we want that event in which the car selected is a hybrid car and it is priced at no more than $25,000. So the price is less than $25,000. That's what we want. Okay, so we need to see how many cars there are which are hybrid. So hybrid is this column, this row, and the price is less than $25,000. So priced at no more than $25,000. So this is the column. So there are two cars. So in the numerator, we'll write 2. Okay. And the total number of cars, we'll see the total number of cars are 14. So 2 over 14. And if you simplify it, it will be 1 over 7. So answer choice A is correct. Now we come to the hard level question, and this is based on conditional probability. And you will definitely get one question based on conditional probability. Let's read it. The same 20 contestants on each of 3 days answered 5 questions in order to win a prize. Each contestant received 1 point for each correct answer. The number of contestants receiving a given score on each day is shown in the table above. No contestant received the same score on 2 different days. If a contestant is selected at random, what is the probability that the selected contestant received a score of 5 on day 2 or day 3, given that the contestant received a score of 5 on one of the 3 days? Now, see this question, first of all, it is based on conditional probability because of this word given. So there is a condition. Now, our event, first of all, let's identify our event. Our event is that we want to find out the probability of the event that the selected contestant received a score of 5 on day 2 or day 3. So we need to find out the number of contestants who received a score of 5 on day 2 or day 3. So here is day 2, and here is day 3, and here is the score of 5. So we see the intersection of these 2 rows and this column. See, on day 2, 2 people received a score of 5, and on day 3, 3 people received a score of 5, right? So there are total of 5 contestants who received a score of 5. So we'll write 5. Okay, so probability is 5 over. Now in the denominator, you will write the number of events that this statement is happening, number of times that this statement is happening, which is after the word given. So given that the contestant received a score of 5 on one of the 3 days. So we want to find out the number of contestants who received a score of 5 on one of the 3 days. So there are 7 contestants who received a score of 5 on one of the 3 days. So that 7 will come in the denominator. And the answer is 5 over 7. So in conditional probability, remember that in the numerator, you will put the event that you want to find out the probability of. And in the denominator, you will write the number of times the event that is happening after the word given. So that's it about probability, and make sure that you're subscribing to the channel so that you don't miss the next video. You can also download a free SAT math guide, which has the summary of all the 25 concepts. And it also has the practice questions, the official practice questions, sorted topic-wise and difficulty-wise. And it also has the full-length practice test provided by College Board.